Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of soap making with Fame Ebong. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to produce a laundry bar soap using or adding soda ash. So this video will be a bit different from my other soap making videos that I usually drop here. We'll be using an additive called soda ash. If you observe in my previous videos, I don't really use soda ash, but in today's video, I want to use soda ash alongside my other ingredients. This soda ash falls under a category called additives. If you want to learn more about additives in soap making, you can do it by joining my online class. Additive is what actually make your soap look bigger. It helps soap makers make profits. We have a lot of additives in soap making. Soda ash is one of them. So if you want to know more about additives, you can enroll for my online class to learn more. So just watch this video, see how I use the soda ash to produce the laundry soap alongside my other chemicals. Don't forget, if you want to learn more on how to use soda ash, then you need to join my online class. You will learn about soda ash and other types of additives. It's taught in my class. So sit back, watch, and enjoy. This soap equipment over here is being sold. We sell this equipment. We build them all around Nigeria. It's just 8,000 naira. This equipment will enable you or help you produce 18 tablets of soap. 18 tablets of what? Soap. If you need this soap mold, you can reach me on this phone number here on WhatsApp. You chat me up on WhatsApp. We will arrange it and deliver it to your location. We deliver nationwide. It helps you produce 18 tablets of soap. So don't forget to reach me to purchase your soap mold. We deliver nationwide. It's just 8,000 naira. Also, don't forget to check the video description for the link where you can join my online class on soap making and other skincare formulations and household cleaning agent formulations. There you will learn the soap making, the laundry bar soap, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, the body cream, the powder detergent, the organic soap. There's a lot you learn there. It's actually much. Check the video description, or you can reach me through this phone number. Chat me up on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. If you have difficulty reaching me through the link, you can get to me through this phone number to be added to my training group or my online class where you can learn soap making and become a pro. You will become a pro in soap making once you enroll for my online class. So do well by reaching me. If you need ebook, you can reach me also through this phone number to purchase my ebook. It's very rich and very informative. There's a lot of written down formulations on how to produce these things I put here on YouTube. How to produce the body cream, the laundry bar soap, the organic soap, the shower gels, the detergent, the bleach, the Dettol, plenty things. are in that ebook, you can do well by chatting me up to purchase the ebook. It's very affordable. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to check my previous videos. I also have other soap making videos. You can check my previous videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends that want to learn more about soap making. Don't forget to join my online class. Goodbye and see you all next time on my next video. Bye.